As the snowdrops start to fade, the hellebores really take centre stage in the garden. Mine are all mostly self-seeded from a few different varieties that I bought originally. They self-seed very readily and cross-pollinate, and that's the work of the bees. You probably can't hear them, but it's buzzing around here. Hellebores traditionally grow under trees in dappled shade, but I've actually found that they do okay in full sun, even here where it gets very hot in the summer. Some varieties of hellebore are actually quite scented, and this is what attracts the bees to them. And they do make lovely cut flowers, but they have two problems. One of them is that the stems grow really quickly, and they're not very rigid, so they flop very easily in water. And the second thing about them is, and you can see the nodding heads, most of the beauty is actually on the inside, and you can't see that when they're in a vase of flowers. So what I do is I snip the heads off just after the base and gather as many different varieties as I can, and then I try and find a nice pretty glass bowl or other item that you can fill with water and float them on the top so you can see right inside the flowers. And here's a few more ideas for spring posies and Easter table decorations.